this is the fun of it. This is the fun of it. Good morning. uh, how's the day like? Are you filled with josh or thanda thanda? The point is, early morning we should be having that josh. Why? Because we want to, you know put that procrastination away. We want our mind to be sleeping and we to be awake. Why do I say this? Why should the mind should be sleeping? Are you able to hear the voice, or do I need to close the background music?
No, I can hear your voice. I can't hear any
Okay,
music.
great. So the point is, early morning routines are very, very important. Why? Because we get our time for ourselves, for doing that exercise, small exercise. Okay, rush of blood into our mind. And most important is that when you are awake with enthu, when you are awake with chalo yaar kuch karte hain, you are into that hyper state. You set up your routine. When you get up, do your normal routine. Keep a time set for reading a wonderful book, whatever number of pages you can read. 15 minutes. Okay, 15 minutes I want to read. I want to read for 15 minutes book related to your profession. It is going to help you, because the person who has written the book, I am writing a book, I have not been able to finish the book. Okay, it is almost now 1.5 years. Okay, I am always thinking, अरे इसमें थोड़ा कुछ कम है. I need to improve on this. I need to improve on this. And this book is not getting over only. But think about it. How much time, energy goes into that particular book writing? The author is sharing maybe 10-15 years of experience, which is really fantastic. So you need to spend some time reading the book also. It helps you to it broadens your thinking process. So early morning routine may, put that 15 minutes, half an hour ka slot to read a book. And then what you should be doing is, okay, till that time I have not completed this particular book, I will not shift to any other reading. I have stopped reading newspapers, which always and always gives negative news early morning. Only political, ये politician ने इतना रुपया ले लिया, this एक murder हो गया, this has gone bad, this much death, blah blah blah, everything negative. And the positive things, the sportsmen who have performed, okay, who have slogged, who have come first, who has got the gold medal, the news is way back behind. So what is our mind getting? What is our mind getting? It is only the negative news we are getting, not worth it. So since almost now 2.5 years, I have stopped reading newspaper early morning. In fact, this has been my practice for almost donkey's years. I was having the cup of tea on the table with my breakfast, and I used to read the newspaper for at least not less than 45 minutes. Just imagine, every day I am able to save that 45 minutes. So people say I don't find time, but this is the thing. Early morning, when you get up early, just 1 hour, 2 hours early, and you get so much to do for yourself. So keep a fixed time for reading. Okay, half an hour. Great, good enough. Like we discussed yesterday, 10-15 minutes of exercise. Very important. Skipping, just do few skippings, Surya Namaskar, okay, stretching of just do this stretching exercise, ऊपर के हाथ में, and you feel that goodness, that my body is now active. Very, very important. When you set this routine right, when you read something good, you are learning about your profession, about whatever you want to learn, mindset, anything. The first 1 hour, I am not touching and opening my WhatsApp also, because everybody is only going to send you good morning. Okay, good, fine. But is it worth to answer and waste half an hour of our time just to send that good morning, good morning, good morning to every one of you? Not worth it to waste half an hour on this, routine. So I stopped that also. Very important that how we are going to use
What's up?
our
Good morning,
time
topic.
when we get up is the most important thing. And I have been learning this from so many different people, something good about this I have to catch up. And that is why now I have been getting up early, because this has helped me to improve myself from where I was to where I am. But now this is not the place I want to be. I want to go much higher. So I continue doing this. And it is fantastic. Believe me, it is fantastic. Because then what happens is you get the routine right. Okay, you have put your mind into a active mode. You said, boss, I am the boss, you are not the boss. And when you do this, it helps you all day round. The third thing I am telling you to do is try and sit for a 15-minute meditation. Now, what do I mean by meditation? I don't know what meditation is all about. Okay, I am not so good at meditation, but what I would love to think is focusing. That is the meditation. What is meditation? Means when you sit down, close your eyes, and when you breathe, okay, when you're breathing, you are only thinking about that breathing process rather than thinking about ye karna hai, wo karna hai, market mein kya hoga, ye kya hoga, and all that. Our mind is like a monkey, jumping from one thought process to another thought process to another thought process. We are not able to even focus. Or believe me, for 1 minute, if you can think about it and you try this out today after the meet, you will not be able to. Your thought process will be running away. What will be the market doing? What will be my chart doing? This is what I need to do. This is what I need to do. And इधर उधर भागते ही रहते हैं हम लोग. We are not able to focus. Okay, and this is very, very important that you have to focus. और वो focus कैसे ला सकते हैं? What I am learning is I listen to one good song. I listen to some whatever religious or whatever you want to listen to good music, and then I only try to focus only on one thing, and my mind should not run away from either this side, or it should not run away this other side. No, just one single focus. Try this out. You will get irritated. Oh my God, what I am doing? My mind is just running away here and there. But this is what has to be controlled. Now, how this helps you? This helps you in each and everything what you are going to do. It will help you to complete one task what you are taking. Just completing only one task. And when you are able to finish that one task, you will feel so good. You will finish, you will feel so good. And this has helped me in trading. Most important, we want to become pros, going excellent, doing excellent, making lot of money. And this is going to help you when we are focused on the process, we are focused on the system. Okay, we do not feel afraid of pulling the trigger when the trigger comes in. When is the time to come in, you do not have to you know, you have to, because on paper, everyone who is in the market has become crorepati sometime or the other. And this is what is stopping you from taking the right steps. Everybody is a crorepati only on paper and in mind. Oh, I should have taken that trade. Oh, I should have done this. Oh, I should have done that. No, 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 no. When the time comes, we have to put in the trade to become that crorepati, because there is a fear of losing. So we have to come out of that fear of losing. So if you want to come out of that fear of losing, okay, you need to focus. What you are going to focus? Because what is happening is, you had thought about the price is going to go up, and early morning the price starts to come down. You are stuck. Your mind is saying, oh, what the hell? The price was supposed to go up, but now the price has come down. Now what to do? The mind starts going here and there. See, you lost your focus. Why? Because you had planned that the price is going to go up. SGF Nifty is also up. Everything is up, and the price is coming down, and you are lost. Now, this is what focus helps you. That 10 minutes of 15 minutes of sitting with a clear mindset, thinking only about one thing, listening to good music. Excuse me. You know, letting the mind go down, not running around. This is going to help you. I am not telling you to sit for half an hour, just 10 to 15 minutes. Try it out. You will be frustrated in the beginning, because the mind is going to run away. And that is what is irritating to us. And that irritation is being seen during the trading hour, because you are overwhelmed with so many things to do. You want to earn money, but the process is not allowing you to, because your mind is saying, boss, you cannot do that. And when you have not taken the trade, that is the trade which has gone and hit the target also, and it has given much more, and it keeps on irritating. So the third thing you need to do is, you need to sit down 15 minutes, closing your eyes, focusing on only one thing, keeping your mind cool, not letting your thoughts run away. It will be difficult, but since you have decided to come at 6 o'clock, that means you are telling your mind, I am the boss. That is the one good thing you have done. So second day, we are here early morning. Okay, that means we have set our routine. Now, if you are able to keep this routine for one whole year, just imagine how much you can achieve. You are way ahead of everyone by doing only little things. So these are the first three things you need to do. Get up early morning, which you are already done. Okay. Do a 10-15 minutes ka exercise, Surya Namaskar, stretching, pulling. Okay. Whatever type of exercise you know. I'm not telling you to go to gym initial. No. I'm not telling you go for a walk. I'm fine with that. I'm 100% okay with that. Go for a walk. You have to. Everybody has to. Right? Do that. And 10-15 minutes of sitting still, not thinking, bringing the thought process inside, not letting your mind run away from thinking about market, thinking about this has to be done, that has to be done. ये पैसा आएगा कि नहीं आएगा, ये trade मिलेगा कि नहीं मिलेगा, whether I will become crorepati or not. Don't think anything. Just think about your breath, in and out. Listen to a wonderful music if you want to, and just focus on that. Nothing else. These three things are going to help you to become a better person and to become a better trader. Okay. Thank you very much for joining me early morning. Sunil ji, Tarun ji, Angelo, Dr. Sunil is also there. Kunal, wonderful. All of you, I thank you for joining me on this wonderful journey. Okay. It's going to be difficult initial stage, but like I have spoken to all of you, Dr. Sunil was the one who has inspired me, okay, to get up early, and this I am been doing since the last two years now plus, and it has been a fantastic journey. Believe me, it has been a fantastic journey, and I hope I am able to inspire you all to continue on this particular journey. Market में पैसा है, पैसा मिलने वाला ही है. That is not an issue at all. But this is one good thing what you all are doing, that you are starting this day with a positive note. So what do we always say when we want to live? Everybody unmute yourself. Everybody unmute yourself. Good morning to bol do.
Money, money, money.
Money, money, money. That is what is the mantra. That this is bound to happen to every one of us. We have to live the life of abundance. Okay. Not worry about what is going to happen during the day. During the day, things are going to work out well for sure. Once our routine is set, okay, we are going to have a wonderful day. So with this note, three things to do. Tomorrow morning we meet once again. Love you all. Take care. Corona se bachna. Okay. Wash your hands. Do whatever you have to do. Kada piyo. Tulsi ka pani piyo. But keep yourself fit. Love you all. Take care. And I'll see you tomorrow morning. Bye-bye.
Happy morning. Happy morning.
And happy Easter. Angelo, happy Easter.
Yeah, Friday, Good Friday.
Good Friday. Yes, it's a good Friday.
On Sunday, my sir.
Sunday. Yeah.
Thank you. Anyway.
Okay. In advance.
Yeah.
चलो हम लोग 3 दिन happy Easter बोलते जाएंगे.
Thank you.
Because India में तो it's a wonderful thing. You know, every few weeks we have some of the other festival coming in.
Yeah.
चलो, have a nice day,
Bye.
every one of you. Bye bye. Take care.
Bye bye.